Hello traders, welcome to the Appentraq channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the TradingView platform. First, you need to create an account on the TradingView site. Click the Get Started button, and here you will see three different plans: Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium plan. TradingView offers you to try any plan for free for the first 30 days. The only condition to qualify for a free month is to enter your credit card information to make it active. You can unsubscribe at any time, but if you do not unsubscribe after these 30 days, you'll be charged for the plan you selected at the regular price for the following month. If you still don't want any of these three plans, scroll down a bit more and you'll see that there's a free basic plan. It contains all the necessary functions for charting. The disadvantages are many ads, and you'll be missing some advanced features that you get with other paid plans. This free plan will be enough to use our Appentraq indicator. Now that we have logged in, we can click on the Chart button. The main window will open for you, and that's why we're here. You'll see the chart drawing tools at the far left that you use to mark trend lines, add text, symbols, and more. The top line of the window is reserved for the following elements. In the first field, you choose the symbol that interests you. Apple shares are now open to us, but if we click on the Apple symbol, a search field will open to type the symbol we are interested in. For example, BTCUSD. A list of exchange offices where you can trade with this pair and a simple click will open. The selected exchange office will open. The second field in the top line is reserved for selecting the time frame. The time frame in seconds is reserved for premium users only. In the free version of the TradingView, you will be limited to the time frames offered, while for other plans, you can add time frames as desired. In the third field, the type of price display is selected: candles, Heikin-Ashi candles, bars, and lines. It is best to choose Heikin-Ashi candles or ordinary candles for our indicator. The following field is Compare. As the word itself says, here you can compare the stock prices of two companies, or the prices of two different coins, BTC and ETH for example. In the next field, you have the indicators. Here are all the indicators you can apply to the chart, from technical, financial, to purchased, for which you will need access. Another section called Invite-Only Scripts will appear when you are granted access. Inserting indicators is easy. Enter the indicator's name or choose one from the offered, and it will appear on the chart. To the right of the TradingView window is the watch list, alarms you can set, news, public chats, as well as some more information related to the stock or coin you have selected. All in all, those would be the essential things you should know before starting. In the video description, I will leave you a link to the TradingView page. Create a free account to begin with, or choose one of the offered plans with a 30-day trial version and try this platform. Thank you for your trust. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments of this video. Bye.